Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tricelle and I'm an adult doll collector that loves all things 1/6 scale. Today I'm going to be doing a TEMU haul. I've never shopped at TEMU. This video is not sponsored, so I just wanted to show you a few things that I got. So I'm going to highlight my kitchen here since I did purchase a lot of items that were kitchen related, and we'll go from there. So I did purchase these items. I'm looking at my receipt here. I got them after Christmas and there was a really great sale. And not to mention, because I was a first-time buyer, I was able to get like this $100 bundle coupon code that they gave me or something like that, where it discounted a lot. And I used my Rakuten account to get 18% cash back at that time. So the prices that I'm going to be highlighting is not what it would be if you were purchasing today. With that being said, TEMU still has really great prices in general, so it may be worth checking out. So the very first item I'm going to show you is this little blender. I thought it was like a pink color, but it looks more cream to me. But at any rate, here it goes. And I will have the price on the screen here so you can know how much each item costs. And you can take the top part of the blender off and the top of the blender where you would pour ingredients. It does come apart, so I think that's a really cute detail. The next item I got was this coffee maker. It's supposed to be in the same pink color. Again, that does look cream to me. And the little coffee pod is removable, which is really cute. Next on the list is this 30-piece miniature drink set that I got. It says miniature drinks is what it says on the website. And it has a variety of different drinks in this particular set. So I'm just gonna show you a few here. Then I purchased this popcorn. There was 4 in the packet and it doesn't look that good. I mean, it's okay if you look here. It's like white and I guess the yellow is supposed to be the butter, but I mean, it was only like 70 cents or whatever, so I'll take it. I know this is not kitchen related, but I did get this phone. It was a phone that I had growing up, just kind of let you know how old I am. If you know, you know. But at any rate, I did want to show you. It's super cute and it does come like it's removable. The dolls can use it to pretend like they're on a landline. Then I got these 4 little mugs and it had a little mug holder and I thought that was just adorable. So the last of the kitchen items are these drinks, and I have these canned sodas, Pepsi and Sprite inspired. So now we'll move on to living room decor. So I got this couch and I got this chair, but it so doesn't go in line with this couch. These are the jewelry box items, like the chair is a jewelry box and so is the couch. Then I got these 2 plaid pillows. In the listing it said they were lavender, but in person they look gray to me. Next on the list, I got these 4 pink fluffy pillows. So next on the list is this camera, which is really overscaled for my doll, as you can see here. But I'm gonna keep it. I mean, it was only $1. And I don't know why I bought this cash. Please don't judge me. I think it's because I do have the Mini Brands series 2, 3, and 4. And I know they have cash in those. So that's why I got them. But at any rate, it's like individual money. So that's impressive. And I purchased this tablet, computer, and phone combo. It's made of metal. The laptop is flimsy and you're not able to position it so the dolls can hold it. Then I have these little mini loofahs, which I think is adorable. Here is a little game controller. It did come with two, a set of two of them for I think it was like $2 or something, which is really cute because they're really heavy. Yeah. Then I purchased this little guitar, and it is a little underscale to me, but it's cute. Now we're getting into the clothes. This green hoodie is really cute. It fits the doll okay. It doesn't have any closures in the back, and I don't think I showed it. So I was going to show you a fashion pack that I bought because everything you see here, this blouse, those pants came in a fashion pack, but I lost the footage. So I'm just gonna add it here so you can see everything that came in the pack. So that's what came all in the fashion pack, as you can see here. And I'll just show you a couple of outfits that I picked out of this pack one by one. I do want to say that although there were a lot of items and some of them were good, the quality is just not as high as like a Barbie fashion pack or anything like that. I mean, it's comparable to like Dollar Tree clothing if you've ever purchased like fashion packs from there. But overall, I mean, all of those clothes for like $5, I mean, that's pretty good. So, and it also came with the shoes and, you know, the accessories as far as the shoes. So here are my favorite items: the cups, the coffee maker, and finally the blender were my favorite items from this haul. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye.